Welcome to another Wise Maths and Science video. We've been given this expression, which is 3x to the minus 1, all multiplied by 4x minus x cubed in brackets, and it's equal to a plus bx to the power of n for all the values of x that are not 0. Find the values of a, the value of b, and the value of m. Okay, so what I've done, I've actually written it down over here so it's a little bit larger. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to look to expand and simplify this bracket. So you've got 3 multiplied by 4, so let's multiply this through. So first and foremost, you're going to be multiplying this term with this term. And then afterwards, what you're going to be doing, you're going to multiply this term, which is outside the brackets, with this term over here. So where does that take us then? So 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So let's write that down over there. That's going to work out to be 12. You have x to the power of minus 1 outside. This treat it as x to the power of 1. So you're multiplying by x to the power of 1. When you multiply with bases with when you multiply powers with the same basis, you just add the power. So it's minus 1 plus 1 over here. And then you've got a positive multiplied by a negative, which will give you a minus. 3 times 1, which is the coefficient there, which is 3. You get x to the power of minus 1. And then again, you're multiplying, so you're going to add on this, because they're the same basis over there, you're going to add on this 3 over here. And they're going to tidy that up. So therefore, you will get 12x to the power of minus 1 plus 1 equals 0. You get minus 3. Minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. Now this can be simplified, so it will be 12. X to the power of 0 is the same as 1. And then minus 3x squared. And then finally, you should be able to write it down like this. 12 minus 3x squared is equal to, we'll write it down in the form that we wanted to. It's already in that form, which will be a plus bx to the power of m. Now if you look carefully over here, a is equal to 12. That's the constant. B is equal to minus 3. And then finally, the power over here on the x is going to give you 2. Hopefully you found that beneficial. Please do like, share and subscribe, as it will give me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.